Welcome back again to the Money Literate Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download the Pinduoduo app. Yes, so when you go to Play Store or App Store, you will never get the app to download. Yeah, there's a way we use in downloading the app. So if you watch this video to the end, you'll be learning how to download the app. So first of all, you locate your Chrome, Google Chrome, and then you launch it. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome. So you search at the search button, you type Pindoudou download. Pindoudou download. So you search for Pindoudou download. So when it opens, you scroll down, you see Pindoudou for Android. Download the APK. Yes, so this is for Android users. So you click on the Pindoudou for Android. If you are using Android, you click on the Pindoudou for, so you can see it here, Pindoudou app. Download the APK. Yes, so you click on it. When you click on it, you scroll down, you wait for it to load, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll see get the latest version. So you are going to click on the get the latest version. So it's here, you click on it. So when you click on it, you scroll down again and then you'll see download. You see download. So we have the download here. You click on it. You click on it to download. Because I have already downloaded this app, they are asking me file name already exists. So you just click on download. Click on download. So as you can see on top here, I have the download file, see notification for download status. So if you want to see if the app is already downloading, on top here you see the three dots, you click on it. When you click on it, you click on downloads. You will see that the app is downloading. So as you can see, it is downloading. So it has finished downloading. So after it has finished downloading, you just tap on it. You tap on it to install. Do you want to install this app? Yes, you tap to install. So our app is installing. So when you try to install, you see unsafe app locked. This app was built for an older version of Android and doesn't include the latest privacy protection. So what I want you to do is click on more details. When you click on got it, it will tell you app not installed. So click on more details. So when you click on more details, you see install anyway. You just click on install anyway. When you click on install anyway, it will install. It will install successfully. So app installed. So you see it has been installed. So all you need to do now is to open the app. So I'm going to open the app. So here you are going to make good use of your high dictionary. The high dictionary, we use it to do translations. Yes, so as you know, Pindoudou, 1688 and the rest, they are Chinese apps. Yes, so you need the high dictionary. For persons who have already joined my masterclass on China importation, you know how to translate the Chinese into English. If you have also not joined my 1688 China importation, you can join to register. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. All you need to do is to click on the link if you want to learn the 1688 Chinese importation. You click on the link and then you register. So here I'm going to be using my high dictionary to translate. So I have my high dictionary here. So I'm going to translate. I'm translating. So the translating is telling me that thank you for your trust to facilitate your understanding. So all these you can read through. Yes, we can read through. So down here, I'm going to agree. So if you want to agree, you click on agree. So down here too is disagreement. So you are going to agree. After this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the hard dictionary. All you need to do is to click on the link to watch the video of how to use the hard dictionary. So all you need to do is to click on the agree. You click on agree. So when you agree, it will bring you here. Yes, when you click on the agree, it will bring you here. So now I'm going to translate again. So this one, you are going to log in after downloading your app, and then you have installed the app. Now we are going to log in. So there are so many ways you can log in. You can log in through WeChat. Yes, so this is the WeChat login, and then you have bought it in the browser. So log in other ways. So if you want to log in through WeChat, you click on this green login, but that will be a long process. Login with WeChat is going to be a long process. So here we have login other ways. So when you click on the login other ways, you are going to log in with your mobile number. You get. If you also want to go through the process, the long process, you log in with WeChat. If you have WeChat, those who are already in Chinese importation, you can log in through your WeChat. You can also log in with your mobile number. If you are following the tutorials and then you want me to continue, just type in the comment section, I'm following. Just type in the comment section, I'm following, then we move on. Let me know whether you are following. Just type in the comment section, I'm following. So after typing I'm following, now let's continue. So now you click on this blue Chinese writing which says log in with your mobile phone. So let me translate it once again for you to see. So you see log in other ways. So I'll click on it. So here you can log in with your number. You see login on number. Then we also have QQ login. So we are going to log in with our number. So that is the first one. Login with number. So here you are going to enter your mobile number. So here the +233. If it is not +233, you can change it to +233. Or if you are in Nigeria, you enter your Nigeria code. If you are in Egypt, you enter your Egypt code. Which country you are, you enter your country code. So country code for Ghana is +233. That is if you are watching this video from Ghana. Then you enter your mobile number. So I'm going to enter my mobile number. So make sure if you have entered the +233, that is your country code, you are not supposed to enter the first 0. You get. So after you enter your number, you click on this red thing to accept or to agree. So when you click on it, so let me translate it to English for you to see. So I have my high dictionary. Login immediately. So I'm going to click in login immediately. So a code will be sent to you to your number. So you are going to wait for the code to be sent to you. So the code has just been sent to me on my number. So you can see the code here. when you go to SMS, you are going to find the code. So the code is 177356. So a unique code will be sent to you. So all you need to do is to enter the unique code, and then it will automatically, voila, it has automatically logged in into my Pinduoduo. You see, with the Pinduoduo, it doesn't have stress like 1688 where you need to pass through Tauba, you need to pass through Alipay before you can log in. But with the Pinduoduo, it's just simple and straightforward. So you see, so this is my Pinduoduo app. It has automatically logged in into my Pinduoduo. So this is how to download and install your Pinduoduo app. So if you are new here, all you need to do is to smash the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button, and then like this video. So there will be a video on top. You can see it here. All you need to do is to click on it. You'll see how to use the High Dictionary to translate anything on the Pinduoduo, and also 1688. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.